咁多嘅？哇！點解喺個水面度飛嘅？哎呀！成朝喺度飛嚟飛去。
賽後又話，為咗防止重演回歸時對意見人嘅打擊同迫害嘅悲劇，黨將用嚴厲嘅詞語警示領導幹部以反黨、反領導等罪名整人，係違反黨內民主制度同革命道德。又話習近平曾經講過，共產黨要用得下尖鋭批評，做到有則改之，無則加勉。賽後話，對任志強嘅發表意見點樣處置，唔單止係任志強嘅事，更加關乎8000幾萬黨員嘅權利係咪得到保護。荷蘭呢一個教咗幾十年書嘅老師喺2008年先至知道。
This morning, maybe this morning. No, there.
They're going to the left and the right and to the left and the right, high and low.
There,
I was on the telephone just now.
So many.
Yeah.
So many.
They flew up high
Yeah,
this early morning, but now they are just above sea level. I cannot see properly.
Back again.
I cannot see
They're
properly.
playing with the wind.
What happened? I cannot see properly here. Did I catch them
Against the light. Yeah, just steady the camera, ma'am.
Huh?
They're in the water now.
Did I see them?
Yeah.
Because my eyes I cannot see properly.
Yeah, I
Is
can
it-
see.
is it in my view?
Yeah.
Within the frame?
Yeah. A little bit there. Yes.
Up a bit. You better help me. I cannot see actually.
Wow, they're in the water.
They are in the water.
Yeah.
Oh, they want to take a bath. Like my husband bathing the birds. Oh my God.
Yeah, they're in the
They are in the water.
They stay in the water.
They stay there. I really couldn't catch because of the light
and
reflection.
because of their colors also.
Yes.
Just look like this.
What to do? They're staying there?
Yeah. I don't know, I don't know until when.
I cannot see. Which side?
Your camera, ma'am, it was focused there.
Huh? For so long in the water? Are they drowning there?游水喎，成班喺度游水，咁得意。
There, the ship is coming.
The ship is coming, they will fly away again. That's many! They are flowing to the left and the right again. Why it's blurred now? It's blurred. They are not moving?
事件經傳媒報導之後，院方改口話係工作人員唔熟悉收費標準，造成你搭的士嗰陣時啦，有冇遇過啲司機咧喺太盤附近係擺咗好多部電話喺度嘅咧？梗係有啦，佢哋咧有咁多部電話咧，就係因為佢哋咧就要撳電話去接 order，諗住啦做多啲生意。但有時咧作為乘客啦，坐喺嗰架的士度都有少少擔心㗎。不過原來喺內地啦都有巴士司機喺度揸車一路撳電話喎。一手揸住唐太，一手篤電話。呢班由廣州去到惠州嘅大巴，羅小姐坐到提心吊膽。看着我看到手机点一下，又翻一下，点一下，然后我说干什么？会不会是抢红包？
They are not afraid of the boat. Aline,
Yeah.
they are not afraid of the boat. You see? Are they drowning there already? You mean they're swimming in the water?
Yeah, oh, they're flying now. They're flying.
They're flying?
Oh, they're
Oh,
flying.
they are flying when the boat is close to them. They're flying again.
But very,
Low.
yeah.
Flying low. Because of the boat. Yeah, they're flying again.
They're like a fish.
Ah, this is a strange phenomenon. Huh?
Really? Mom, they're nearer here.
They're coming this way? Are they?
They're
I make a little wide a bit. Yeah, it's too long already. My hand aching. My shoulder aching. My God. See. This morning they flew higher up in the sky. I couldn't catch them on time, you know. Yeah. Now they are so spread out already. Some swimming, but some not. It's a very strange phenomenon. I never seen this before. Yeah, tiếng em tới gì á? What happened to these birds? Yeah, I have to hold on. Press. There now. Now, this is moving.
Oh.
You understand?
Okay.
Okay. Hey, come, press. Press. Once one is flying, the other rest are flowing.
Just a
No,
little.
not yet, not yet. Only a few. Can you catch
A
them?
lot of
A
them.
few is flying already.
They're like,
Bring the bigger camera. But maybe got no. I don't have. This cutting. What?
they're not afraid of the boat.
Oh, get this. My daughter, she didn't bring them. I want to listen to the platform.
This is not the way we should operate. At least this is not the way that I operate.
This lady, no.
曾俊華話自己面對經常有啲嘅做法係正正咁對沙得防患未然。
喂，喂，
哥話負資產
咩事啊？咩事？they're flying.
中國安全第一。
Yes, already. Okay.
Yeah! They're moving and then you didn't press.
今日喺廠房多處開倉，着成3手20樓
You didn't press, You press, Is it
Wow.
running? Is it running?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Huh?
Oh my god. There's so
Catch them.
a lot.
You can see,
Oh my, here. Yeah. They're near.
政府應該釐清
I'm trying to search my telescope. I cannot find it. My daughter didn't. I don't know where she put.
There.
Where she put? Here.
Yeah.
Here, down there. Can you really catch? Where are they? Here, down here, between the trees. Should we go to the balcony? Let me see. Where's? Down the wall.
上到電台，主持人問曾俊華點回應葉劉淑儀。
A lot of people expect something dramatic to happen every year.
Yeah, they're here. They're floating near.
This is not the way we should operate. At least
They stay again in the water.
I would start stacking up my sandbags a long time before the flood. And these things you do it fast.
Wow.
You do it ahead of
Mom, it's easy to take a picture in the veranda.
You take a picture. Wait, you hold on first. You press the pause first.
成40萬人睇
Press
過。
pause.
曾俊華話
And then you
Okay.
go to the veranda. Are they there?
Yeah, they're flying now. They're flying now.
Oh yeah, what's after Saturday? They're not flying, they're floating.
There. They're flying now.
No. Video, where's the video? My God.
They're flying away.
Hey, here. That's a lot. I cannot see.
There! Whoa!
I cannot see, my God.
A lot.
There's a lot flowing there already.
Hmm.
I cannot see, my God. My eyes bad because of the light.
Okay, they're leaving.
They gone already? No.
They're
Someone
not.
here.
Oh,
You see?
so
They're
strange.
flying just above the water.
Yeah.
I know.
I still have here.
A lot. There. This many.
Hey, yeah.
But they will come back afterwards, you see? Oh,
It's-
God.
1,000, is it?
1,000. Is it all already? No cat! My God! Nothing in the cat is not in my camera. So you're taking aura?
Yes,
You're taking
ma'am.
aura?
Mm.
Do you know how to make it close like this wide,
I just steady.
steady?
They can look there. They can see it clearly.
You can see aura? Okay. Let's go.
No more. Okay, they're leaving all now. No more.
Afterwards they come back.